there are some updates to Formula C, which I'm going to take you through. For this, we're just going to use the regular camera because although it's designed to work on the Oculus Rift and it looks really good for that, it just doesn't have the same effect using that output unless you're actually wearing one. Um, so the first update is in this track selection menu. We've got these previews that pop out. And these are procedurally generated so that we can have a low polygon version without creating a second copy of every track piece. And this means you're not going to lag in the menu screen. We've also added some scenery objects, and we've got a pause menu. So at the moment there's only 3 scenery objects, which isn't many, but more will be on the way. And even just with these 3, we think it adds quite a lot to the atmosphere, and you can get a little bit creative already with the way you place them around. So that's where we're at the moment. The plans for the near future are to expand that code for procedurally generating the previews into generating the whole track so that we can more easily implement all of the different types of track pieces that we want to add, because we're still planning to add things like banked corners and corkscrews and proper loops, those sort of things. The other thing that we're going to work on is the music, and we're planning to have music that reacts to what's going on in the game so that the intensity changes depending on how well you're doing, and especially if you're close to the finish. And it reacts to certain things like getting airborne or collisions. So stay tuned for these updates. You can click subscribe on our YouTube channel. You can like us on Facebook. We've got a Eulercode page and a Formula C page, and you can follow us on Twitter at Eulercode.